Cash, I said no. So, real account. What is personal account rule? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Here Ravi is a receiver, debit him. What is real account rule? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Here from Gopi, cash is going. Therefore, we should credit it. Then what is the final entry? Ravi account debtor to cash account. In Ravi account where it appears? Debit side. To cash, advance amount is 30,000 rupees. Next transaction is consignor incurred some expenses. This is consignment related expenditure and money is going from consignor. So consignee is not at all concerned with this transaction. So consignee need not to record the transaction. Remember, for consignor expenses in consignee books there is no journal entry. Then next, consignee sold the goods. Sales means don't think that the entry is cash account debtor to sales account, our ordinary entry. No, because this is the sale for consignor, not for us. We are only an agent there. Don't write this entry. Then how we should write the entry? Observe. Who sold the goods? Gopi. Say I am Gopi. I sold goods to customers and I got cash. Since cash is coming, cash account is one account and you know it is a real account. Real account rule, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Cash is coming now, therefore debit cash account. Credit side don't write sales. Why you know? It is not a sale to us. Then this amount we should return to Ravi. Means we became liable to consignor. To us, to consignee, consignor becomes a creditor. Creditor is a liability. Liability shows a credit balance. Therefore, credit side, what to be written? Consignor's name. It should be credited. Then what is the final entry? Cash account debtor to Ravi account. In Ravi account beside it appears credit side. By cash account, sale amount. Then for consignee's commission, I am consignee. For my commission, I should write the entry. This commission is income to me or expenditure? Income. Income comes under nominal account. What is nominal account rule? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Since commission is income to me, commission is to be credited. Then debit side, don't debit cash account because immediately cash is not coming. How we recover that commission? From sale proceeds, when we are remitting money to Ravi, we deduct our commission and remaining money we pay to him. Therefore, today cash is not coming. Don't debit cash. Then which account is to be debited? Who should pay this commission to us? Consignor, Ravi. So for this commission amount, 13,000 rupees, Ravi becomes a debtor. Debtor means asset. Asset shows a debit balance. Therefore, debit side we should write Ravi account. This is the final entry. Since Ravi is in debit side we should post this entry. Amount is 13,000 rupees. Next, come to selling expenses. Who paid these expenses? Consignee. Cash is going from us. Cash is a real account. What is real account rule? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Cash is going, so credit it. But don't debit selling expenses account. Why? Because finally who has to bear these expenses? Consignor. We should not debit that expenditure name. Then we are paying now. In future, we are going to deduct that amount from sale proceeds and the remaining amount we forward to Ravi. Just like commission, here also for 2000 rupees, Ravi becomes a debtor. Debtor means asset. It shows a debit balance. Therefore, debit side, we should write Ravi account. Then in Ravi account, we said it comes debit side. Now, all transactions we have posted. Then finally balancing. Observe which side total is more, credit side. Write down that amount. 1,30,000 rupees minus 45,000 rupees is equal to 85,000. Which balance this is? Credit balance, because credit total is more. Once you recollect consignor books, in consignor books, in Ravi's ledger, when we prepared Gopi account, which side we got this 85,000 rupees? Credit side. Means which balance this is? Debit balance. Because Gopi is a debtor. Consignee should pay that amount. Since he is a debtor, in consignor books, Gopi account shows a debit balance. Now we are in Gopi books, consignee books. Consignee has to pay the money, no? Means to consignee, consignor becomes a creditor. Since he is a creditor, his account shows a credit balance. How we clear this money? By issuing a demand draft. Therefore, what to write here? Bank account. Put the total. So in this manner, consignor and consignee both record consignment related transactions in their books. I hope this video is clear to you. In my next video, I am going to explain about unsold stock concept. Thank you.